Hi, I'm Matthew Jutabah from ASB.
And I'm Phoebe Levy from KBEV. This is the week of February 3rd.
Welcome to the Norman Update.
Tomorrow, February 4th, Beverly's Normans are playing the Samo Vikings. Boys varsity basketball is playing at 7:30. Girls varsity will be at 6 p.m. JV boys are at 4:30 and JV girls are at 3 p.m. Make sure to come out to the most exciting basketball games of the year and show your Norman pride, or tune into our KBEV live stream and show.
To get all the Normans excited for these games, we are having a pep rally tomorrow during 4th period with music, cheer, and our basketball teams. Check your email to find if your teacher is assigned to period 4A or 4B. If you're assigned for 4A, go straight to the swim gym and sit in your grade section. If you're in 4B, you will go first to your 4th period class, then walk over to the swim gym. Tuesday will also be an assembly schedule, meaning all classes are 6 minutes shorter and that 5th period is after lunch.
Soccer is also playing Samo this week. Today, varsity and JV for boys and girls soccer are playing the Samo Vikings. This Friday is also senior night for girls soccer, starting with varsity at 3 p.m. followed by JV at 4:30. Also, a big congratulations to boys wrestling for winning league 2 years back-to-back. We wish you luck in the CIF playoffs.
The last day to apply for Beverly Senior Scholarships is this Friday, February 7th. These scholarships are only for Beverly students, so you have a high chance of winning scholarships, ranging from $500 to over $3,000. To find the application questions and to submit it, visit Naviance, then go to the About Me tab and click My Surveys. You also must email Ms. Rowley a PDF of your resume to crowley@bhusd.org. That application will consider you for the majority of the scholarships available.
Seniors, the time has come for you to film your time capsule for the 10-year reunion. Be prepared to answer the question, what do you want to remember from high school in 10 years from now, and what do you want to remind your older self? Visit the link below to sign up now.
Remember, there is early dismissal this Thursday, and there's no school on Monday in honor of President's Day. Thank you for watching the Norman Update. I'm Matthew Jutabah.
And I'm Phoebe Levy. We will see you next week.